to our channel. Today we are covering AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Certification. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, which AWS service is suited for use cases that require data backup and restore features, include data lakes and need an archiving system? Option A, Amazon Elastic File System. Option B, Amazon FSx for Lustre. Option C, Amazon Elastic Block Store. And option D, Amazon S3. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, a developer is writing a new application that consists of multiple AWS microservices. During quality assurance testing, the developer notices runtime errors in several areas of the application. Which AWS service should the developer use to help troubleshoot the error? Option A, AWS CloudTrail. Option B, Option B, AWS X-Ray. Option C, Amazon CloudWatch. And option D, Amazon Cognito. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, which AWS will architected framework design principles support disaster recovery planning? Select two options. Option A, use Amazon S3 Glacier instead of Amazon S3 Standard. Option B, use multiple AWS regions. Option C, use memory optimized Amazon EC2 instances. Option D, use multiple AZ deployments. And option E, use virtual local area networks. The correct answer is option B and D. Next question is, which task can a user complete by using AWS Identity and Access Management? Option A, validate JSON syntax from an application configuration file. Option B, analyze logs from an Amazon API gateway call. Option C, filter traffic to or from an Amazon EC2 instance. And option D, grant permissions to applications that run on Amazon EC2 instances. The correct answer is option A. Moving to next question. Which of the following is an AWS value proposition that describes a user's ability to scale infrastructure based on demand? Option A, speed of innovation. Option B, resource elasticity. Option C, decoupled architecture. And option D, global deployment. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, an e-learning platform needs to run an application for 2 months each year. The application will be deployed on Amazon EC2 instances. Any application downtime during those 2 months must be avoided. Which EC2 purchasing option will meet these requirements most cost effectively? Option A, reserved instances. Option B, dedicated host. Option C, spot instances. And option D, on-demand instances. The correct answer is option D. Moving to next question. A company is running a reporting web server application on Amazon EC2 instances. The application runs once every week and once again at the end of the month. The EC2 instances can be shut down when they are not in use. What is the most cost-effective billing model for this use case? Option A, standard reserved instances. Option B, convertible reserved instances. Option C, on-demand capacity reservations. And option D, on-demand instances. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which of the following are characteristics of serverless application that runs in the AWS cloud? Select two options. Option A, users must manually configure Amazon EC2 instances. Option B, users have a choice of operating systems. Option C, the application has built-in fault tolerance. Option D, users can run Amazon EC2 spot instances. And option E, the application can scale based on demand. The correct answer is option C and E. Next question is, a developer needs to maintain a development environmental infrastructure and a production environment infrastructure in a repeatable fashion. Which AWS service should the developer use to meet these requirements? Option A, AWS Ground Station. Option B, AWS Shield. Option C, AWS IoT Device Defender. And option D, AWS CloudFormation. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which action will provide documentation to help a company evaluate whether its use of the AWS cloud is compliant with local regulatory standards? Option A, running Amazon Guard duty. Option B, using AWS artifact. Option C, creating an AWS support ticket. And option D, evaluating AWS cloud trail logs. The correct answer is option B. Moving to next question. A company wants to configure its AWS resources so that the resources can be easily developed across different AWS regions. The company wants the deployment to be as automated as. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? Option A, AWS Code Build. Option B, AWS Code Pipeline. Option C, AWS Cloud Formation. And option D, Amazon CloudWatch. The correct answer is option B. Next question is, a company is designing AWS architecture that will add compute resources when the company needs them. The architecture also includes a disaster recovery plan with automatic failover. Which pillar of the AWS well-architected framework does this architecture represent? Option A, reliability. Option B, operational excellence. Option C, security. And option D, performance efficiency. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, which AWS service or feature provides an online managed software catalog that helps users purchase and deploy third-party software? Option A, AWS Support. Option B, AWS Marketplace. Option C, Amazon EC2 Private Amazon Machine Images. And option D, AWS Reseller Programs. The correct answer is option C. Thank you.